This is Madhav Kumar. I am welcoming you in my YouTube channel Triple MC Major Madhav Maths Classes. Today we are going to discuss about foundation maths. As well, we will discuss about basic questions in mathematics. Generally, students are going in bigger classes, higher classes, even 11th and 12th also, and they are lacking basic mathematics. Of course, there are 4 operations in mathematics. In them they are lacking. So that they are facing a lot of problem during solving of bigger questions and tough questions. So we are going to discuss about that. So first of all, we are going to discuss about that basic pillar of that mathematics. In mathematics, we can perform only 4 operations, you know already. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And in them also, even in higher classes, students are facing a lot of problems. They are facing doubts. Of course, they are solving tough questions, but they are facing doubts. So then we are going to discuss about them. Just like that. For addition only, we are going to take some example. Only addition. So first one example we have 1 plus 1, second one 1 minus 1, third one minus 1 plus 1, and fourth one minus 1 minus 1. So on first, in all these examples you can see even minus is written over there and they are not subtraction. These are only addition. On first, these are addition of all the 2 positive numbers. These are addition of 1 positive, 1 negative numbers. These are addition of 1 negative and 1 positive numbers. And last one is the addition of 2 negative numbers. And in them also, students are facing problems. So how does it work? First one, you know since your previous classes, if you will add 1 in 1, then you will get 2. In second one, if you will subtract 1 minus 1, then you will get 0. In third one, if you will take minus 1 in plus 1, then you will get 0. And in fourth one, you will get minus 2. But if I ask you, how does it can happen? Why are you saying it will add? In first one it will be plus 2, in second one it will be 0, in third one it will be 0, and fourth one it is minus 2. How does it can happen? So using number line also we can verify, and generally in the language of layman, or just like a illiterate person can think, we should think like that. Generally we must think the problem as illiterate person are thinking. We can solve it as a professional. Generally, who want to be a good in mathematics, they should be poet by birth and illiterate by thinking and professional by problem solving. So in the first example, you can see both have positive sign. Generally in mathematics, the number has unsigned character. So in mathematics, if these are signed numbers, it may be unsigned. So unsigned number is always positive. Always positive. If sign is not written over there, then number will be always positive. If number is signed, then it may be positive. It may be negative. So if there is no sign before this one, it means it is always positive. Second one is always positive. So it says that the statement says that if you have 1 rupees, positive means the money you have in your bank account, the money you have in your pocket, and minus means the money you are in debt. Minus means debt. The money you took before in the past, that is called debt. So it works as a karja, and credit it works as a dhan. The money you have in your pocket, the money you have in your bank account. So this first statement says that you have 1 rupees in your pocket, and in another pocket you have 1 more rupees. In other words, you can say In one bank account we have 1 rupees, in other bank account we have 1 more rupees, then total rupees, how many total rupees you have? That is 2. So if both are positive, then in mathematics, if both number is positive, then the total number will increase. They are increasing. In second one, you have 1 rupee in your one pocket and 1 rupee as a debt you took in the past. So now you have no any rupees. You have 1 rupee of course in your pocket, but you took it before from others in the past. So now you have no rupees because of you will have to keep them. So you have currently no any rupees. So if number 1 is positive, 1 is negative, then total reserve will be decrease. Just like that they are going to decrease. In third one, 1 rupee as a debt you have right now. It means you took it from others in the past, and 1 rupee you have in your pocket right now. So in the result you have no rupees, but because of you will have to give them this 1 rupees. So now you have no any rupees in your pocket. So if first one is negative sign and second one positive, then result will also decrease. In third one, the problem looks like it is a subtraction because of you are looking there is a subtraction sign just like that in the second example. But it is not subtraction at all. It is the addition of 2 negative numbers. So when you will add 2 negative numbers, the resultant will be increased just like that. 1 rupees you have as a debt, and you are going to take 1 more rupees of debt, then the total debt will increase. So if both number is negative sign, then the resultant will be increased. So generally we are saying if number has same sign just like that, then resultant will be added, and this is addition, not subtraction at all. If number has different sign just like that, then it will be subtracted at all from bigger to a smaller one, and the number has bigger sign will like that. But this is the concept, we can't remember it all the time, so we should think like a illiterate person. Just think if this is the credit you have, 1 more rupees credit, this is credit, this is debt, this is credit and this is debt, and these both are debts you have. 1 rupees you took it as a debt in the past, you are going to take 1 more rupees as a debt, then total debt will increase and you will get minus 2 rupees as a debt. So this is addition in which all the higher classes students are facing problems whenever they are taking lectures from elsewhere in the tuitions. They are facing a lot of problems. In subtraction also we are going to discuss some examples. In multiplication we will see also some we will make our discussion forward to division also. In that also people are lagging in the higher classes also. Of course, the thing we have discussed, we are like an illiterate person can think. Using number line also we can verify. So we are going to verify it using a number line. Whenever you will deal with that in later days, then you will not lag. You will not use always number line, but to verify it, we are going to use it a number line. So in the first example, we are going to take number line. These are number line. It has middle point, that is origin, that is for 0. This is origin at all. Whenever you will start to move forward and backward, you will start from origin. This is forward direction, this is backward direction. This will be always positive, this will be always negative. So first statement says that you are going to take one step. On side character it means plus 1. So plus 1 means you are going to take one step in forward direction. So you are going to take one step forward direction. Now this statement says that just take one more step. Which direction? Plus direction. That is for forward. So you reach at 2. So total resultant is 2. You will reach 2 units in forward direction. Positive direction also you can say. In the second example, they are saying just take one step in forward direction. Unsigned number, positive number, take take one step in forward direction. So we are going to take forward direction one step. So we will reach at one unit in right hand side from origin. So you are currently right now. Now they are saying just take one step, but backward direction. This negative sign says that take backward direction. Move back. So it will come back from this one unit to backward, then it will reach at 0. So total result then is 0. Right now you have. In the third example, they are saying take one step back. Minus means back. Backward direction. So you will reach -1 from the origin. Now you are currently over here. Now they are saying just take one more step in right hand side, that is positive direction. Positive direction is forward direction. So you are currently at top. If you will take one step in forward direction, then you will reach over here. So total result then is 0. In the fourth example, they are saying just take one step back. So you are going to take one step back in negative direction. Negative means negative direction from origin. So you will reach over here. Now they are saying take one more step in backward direction. Negative sign says that take one more step in backward direction. So you will reach over here, that is called -2. So total resultant will be -2. You are currently right now. So your position is 2 units back from origin. So total resultant is -2. So using number line also you can verify it. Generally you will not use all the time, but it will help you whenever you will land in the junior classes, when you will deal with that very consciously, carefully, passionately and compassionately. Then there is no need to do that. You can think like a layman. This is the positive means credit always and minus means always negative. This type of thing we will discuss in later days also for subtraction, multiply and addition. Thank you and welcome.